Cash money.
TNT on the beat.
I think I got him on this one right here, man.
I know I got him on this one, man.
Like real shit.
Real shit. ACB. Stand up.
Since he speaking out his motherfucking nose, pull up on him with that ratchet, let his ass have that smoke. I'm certified with that motherfucking pole. But know some shooters in my section who get loose and on parole. Don't make me call on that nigga how they grow. You see that nigga with them dreads, he be with that nigga cold. Get exposed since he acting fucking bold. Flip that nigga like some bowls and knock out all his motherfucking gold. Hey, let that nigga tell it I'm a hoe. But when he see a youngin', he get froze. That pussy ass boy acting hard when he a hoe. So if he clapping, I'ma smack his bitch ass with this pole. You fuck niggas don't want no motherfucking smoke. I put them bands on your head and let my nigga rock and roll. He on them jiggers and he fresh up off parole. My little partner be excited when I get him in that mode. That Thuka got two titties in it fold. Run up and hit him, my finish, that chopper gon' touch him and split him up. Take all that money, jewelry, grab his cell phone, take the dope and I cut it up. Go back to that North 9th Street, you want it, I got it, come get it, I keep it jumping. Ain't no clientele that I'm losing, need to go pushing and keep it coming. And my little spider a fucking honey. Fuck all that talking, little nigga running. Clutching it, busting, he running from it. They probably went off on my bond, but I ain't looking back. Just off the state and ask the Lord, I make it all back. Since he speaking out his motherfucking nose, pull up on him with that ratchet, let his ass have that smoke. I'm certified with that motherfucking pole. But know some shooters in my section who get loose and on parole. Don't make me call on that nigga how they grow. You see that nigga with them dreads, he be with that nigga cold. Get exposed since he acting fucking bold. Flip that nigga like some bowls and knock out all his motherfucking gold. My sister nigga heard about me and thought I was pussy. Flex on that nigga, made it quick just like a bitch, I whooped him. Some niggas ran up on my Uncle Bo and almost whacked him. Found out who did it, seen that nigga, I won't speak to actions. Fuck what they talking, they won't speak or spit it to my face. You tryna beat the race, but me, I'm tryna beat the case. Waco PD can suck a dick and now who working with him. Just had a talk with my old lady, she said go and get him. Bitch don't speak on shit you talking, ho, just fucking walk it. Nigga don't grab that fucking burner if you ain't gon' spark it. These niggas pussy, look at them, it ain't no doubt about it. Click full of pros, be flocking, flying, sticking together. Apply that pressure to that nigga and don't let him up. Take it out from him, strip him down and tie that pussy up. Whoever want it, come playin', I bet I shut him up. 25-4 be the jungle nigga, that's speaking out his motherfucking nose. Pull up on him with that ratchet, let his ass have that smoke. I'm certified with that motherfucking pole. But know some shooters in my section who get loose and on parole. Don't make me call on that nigga how they grow. You see that nigga with them dreads, he be with that nigga cold. Get exposed since he acting fucking bold. Flip that nigga like some bowls and knock out all his motherfucking gold.
ACB. I know I got him on this one, man.